Would you live in a house made entirely of glass? Yep, me too. If you have never heard about the Glass House Museum in Connecticut, neither have I. I was just there browsing my email and I saw one from the state of Connecticut. It included a Glass House Museum tour, and so I jumped on it. I love the unusual, the unique, and the different, and so, of course, I had to see it. I booked my ticket the same day. So come along with me as I take a tour of the Glass House Museum. This is not it, by the way. This is the office. We have to get a ride over to the museum because it's actually in the forest.
Philip Johnson House coming up on the left with the blue sculpture up here. This is Johnson's house. It's called the Hudson House, and that was built in 1951. So the glass house is completed in 49. This is 51 for a client. Operation is restricted to lines of the trust, which is good. So it keeps it. Only able to purchase 5 acres initially in 46. So over the next 50 years.
Gorgeous. So we are inside of the glass house.
So walk around, do a whole loop, which is that's what they say off the way.
Imagine cooking in this kitchen. Oh, look at the stove, 1940s. This is beautiful. Would I live here? I would totally live here. I told my friend the other day, oh my goodness, look at that. That is gorgeous. I told my friend the other day that I wanted my house to look like a museum. Look at this. And the fireplace. I would love this. And an office. And of course, every good house must have a bed. I would totally sleep here. Look at this view. In my future home, I'm gonna have a bedroom just like this. Gorgeous. And that's where that is. Oh, this is stunning. Wow. Desk, looking out to the pool, and looking over here, an extremely modern house overlooking this rough and rugged landscape. And then, of course, all lovely house must have. So what is amazingly cool about this house is all glass, and this house has no windows at all. And this is supposed to be the guest house.